Okay, guys, remember the pig breeding video I did a while back? It was that one. She just started giving birth in the middle of the night, I guess. She looks tired. I don't like these cages, but I guess that's their choice. It protects the babies for sure. This one's having her breakfast. We got another one over here that's bigger than the other two. She looks like she's about ready too. Going to be lots of babies, I think. They're the cute little babies. There's 9 so far. There they are. She ain't done. I see there's another one coming. So this video's going to get gross real soon. Soon. Oh, trying to get milk from another baby. How cool is that, huh? All fighting each other, looking for milk. They're already all eaten, so. Oh, one's got it. One's got it. Oh, stopped. There we go. Back on there. They're everywhere. How cool is that, huh? Don't want to wake up. A couple of them on the milk. There comes number 10, I think. Okay, guys, it's actually 2 days later. I didn't make it there yesterday. Let's see, this one's about to have babies too, but I don't know. Here's Mama in her little hole, and I don't like that, but it does keep the babies safe. Look at them. I'm surprised they could run away no problem here. It's okay, Mama. I'm not gonna touch them. Look at that. And they can go eat whenever they want. Pretty cool, huh? I woke them up, now they think they need to eat. Oh, look at that. Good job, Mama. It's very dangerous though, huh? Poor little guys. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Yeah. Number 10 didn't make it. But the other 9 still all doing good. Pretty cool, huh? Little squeakers. Alright guys, well that's it. We watched this entire process. If you haven't seen the pig breeding video, I'll put the link in the description of this one. And there's the outcome. Noisy little things, huh? Look at that one. Right there is all tied up. I will rescue him and call it a day. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching.